What's going on, traders? Doing a quick video today. I want to talk about the watch list for next week and the stocks I'm watching and the positions I'm currently in. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody had a good week. First stock on our watch list, you guys, is Buru. I know you guys probably heard about Buru if you guys are on Twitter or on StockTwits or whatever. This thing ran from 12 cents all the way to 85 cents. I took profits a little way too early on this one. And I got back in all the way on the dip when I seen it hold 45 so many times. Down a couple $100 on it, I believe. Probably like 100 or $2. Right now it's like Sunday, so it's playing around. The market makers are probably rebalancing. So, so what we got here, why I'm watching Buru is because they basically trying to do a bit new business model, you guys, like going to defense. The problem with this one is the heavy dilution that they've been adding to the share size. So, but we could get squeeze. I believe they're gonna try to raise money maybe in the next couple weeks, maybe a couple months or something. So, target we're gonna see how it works out, you guys. But stop loss will be below around the 42 cents area. Stop loss below that area, 41, 40 cents area. And then let me move this out the way. And then the basically risking about 10 cents, you guys, to see where it goes. Maybe possibly fill this first gap, second gap, and then finish this little gap. And when I go back here, you guys, if I go take you guys back to like let's do a 5 year. You guys see this thing got a resistance right here. This thing has resistance around this area. Does have resistance around the dollar, the 80 cents area and the dollar area because we're a broke a dollar. But it is a potential gap fill strategy and then a potential hidden channel. So we'll see how it acts, you guys. Be careful with this one, you guys. But you never know. It could go on another run, you guys. To me, it looks like it wants to break out this little flag pattern. Some people like to call it a head and shoulders. Another stock I'm watching, and you guys already know about Open. Open, I got out again at around $8, you guys, because I seen this thing break the trend, and I was like trying to find a new entry, but I didn't re-enter yet. I want to see where it lands and starts holding. It did test $7 when after market when the market was panicking, you guys. So it did test around the $7 area. So I didn't get quite in, you guys. I want to see if it tests again and possibly test the 50 area. Um, well, I'm not saying that's gonna happen. It could go shoot right back to 9 or 10 or fill this first gap, but we're gonna see. If it gets around $6, I'll be trying. Fill the 50 good and test the 50. I'll be re-entering around 50. Another one that's on my watch list is ATCH. Look at the news on ATCH, you guys. But I was watching it for like a couple weeks, you guys, and then it broke the trend and broke this. But the thing is, on ATCH right now, it's playing around the 50 MA, and I don't see any pressure yet. So the only thing I'm looking for is a good panic. So if this thing panics really good, and this is like, I'm not gonna say they're gonna have a reverse split or dilution, but it's possible. So we're gonna see if it panics. If it panics, it's gonna be like a quick day trade. Another quick day trade would be IXHL. A lot of people are in this one also, but this one to me has a bear flag pattern. I could be wrong. It could be a trend breakout, but I don't see any pressure yet. And another thing is, on this one, we're waiting for the test of the 20 cent area. So if the 20 cent tests and then it holds good, it could be a good trade up to like, could be up to like 20, maybe like 30 cents, 26, 27. Risk maybe 2 pennies for around 5, 6 pennies. So that'll be like a 3 to 1 RR. Another one, you guys, that's been on. I'm holding in my other little account is this one, a rare earth mineral DTREF. It did get a few good contracts. But with this one, it's an OTC stock, so you got to be careful. A little dangerous, you guys. You guys could see it went all the way from 15 cents to 46 cents, and now it kind of stayed above the 50 here. So watch that gap fill area right there. And my other one, where did it go? Where did it go? Oh yeah, BTAI. I know it's like people were like, we were trading this a few months ago. I traded it a few days ago, you guys, but I'm still watching it. But It does have another little flag on it, but to me it looks like it could be going down right now. So we want to see if it breaks the $2 area. We want to see that it breaks the $2 area, see where it lands. If it lands around a buck and starts holding a buck, it might have room to $1.25, $1.50. That's my stock watch list, you guys, for the week. Remember, watch the pressure on Buru. I could be wrong, but do your own due diligence, you guys. Watching hopefully some pressure on open, you guys. Trump just tweeted, there's nothing wrong with China. Hopefully they're in good talks with China, and hopefully we get a good gap up tomorrow and get a good week in the market. Smash that like, you guys. Subscribe to my channel. Any questions, leave it in the comments. Any stocks you want me to look at, also leave it in the comments. And do not forget, plan the trade, trade the plan. Peace out.